Welcome. This video will guide you through deleting posts in school community groups. Whether you're a member or an admin, understanding how to manage content is crucial. We'll cover editing, removing, and the rules governing these actions. In school community groups, deleting a post is straightforward. As a member, deleting your own post in school is straightforward. First, find the post you wish to remove from the community feed. Next, look for the three-dot menu icon, typically located at the top right corner of your post. Clicking the menu opens a drop-down with options. Choose Delete to proceed. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure. This prevents accidental deletions. Once confirmed, your post will be permanently deleted and no longer visible to the community. Admins and owners in school communities have special powers to delete any post, not just their own. This authority helps maintain community standards, remove harmful content, and ensure a safe environment for all members. The process for admins and owners to delete a post is straightforward and similar to how members delete their own posts. First, locate the post you want to remove. Then click the three-dot menu button on that post. Select Delete from the options that appear. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted. This process works much like the delete options you see in other platforms. For example, in content management systems, admins have similar controls to remove inappropriate posts quickly. In addition to single post deletion, admins and owners have access to bulk deletion tools. These allow removing multiple posts simultaneously, which is particularly useful for handling large amounts of spam, repeated violations, or clearing out old content. Bulk deletion interfaces typically provide options to select and remove groups of posts at once, similar to tools found on other social platforms, where moderators need to manage large volumes of content efficiently. These deletion powers come with responsibility. Admins should use them to enforce community rules fairly and consistently, ensuring a positive experience for all members. Skool allows users to edit their posts, usually within a 24-hour window. To edit, find the pencil icon or menu option on your post. Click it to modify your post's content. Admins, owners can edit any post at any time for compliance reasons. Make sure to save your changes after editing. This is great for correcting mistakes or updating information. Skool maintains strict community guidelines to ensure safe and productive spaces. The platform enforces rules against harassment, spam, misinformation, and illegal content. When these rules are violated, posts can be deleted or accounts suspended. The moderation process follows a clear flowchart. All content starts unfiltered, then passes through content filtering. If it might be questionable, it goes to human moderation before being published or blocked. Posts are evaluated across three main categories. Content violations include hate speech and copyright issues. Behavioral problems cover trolling and spam. Platform integrity violations involve bot accounts and fake engagement. Bot accounts are a major platform integrity concern. Skool provides tools and guidelines for detecting these automated accounts that can manipulate discussions and violate community standards. In addition to platform-wide rules, individual communities can establish custom guidelines tailored to their specific needs and culture. In school communities, there's an important distinction between removing and deleting posts. Removing temporarily hides content for review, allowing admins to investigate before making a final decision. Deleting, on the other hand, permanently erases the content from the platform. This difference is illustrated in the table below, which compares the concepts of delete and remove in software contexts. Delete erases something permanently, while remove sets it aside while keeping it accessible. The moderation workflow, shown in this flowchart, demonstrates how admins might first remove content for review, then decide whether to permanently delete it based on their investigation. This process helps maintain community standards while allowing for careful consideration. Skool integrates artificial intelligence to automatically flag posts for potential deletion, significantly reducing the need for manual moderation. The AI automatically flags posts that may violate community guidelines, such as spam, hate speech, or misinformation, allowing moderators to review them quickly. AI scans uploaded content, including text and images, to detect inappropriate material and flag it before it reaches the community feed. Looking ahead, Skool plans to expand AI capabilities for real-time content scanning, including video analytics to ensure all media meets community standards. Future updates will include stronger data retention policies for deleted posts, ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR while maintaining user privacy. As Skool grows internationally, future developments will adapt moderation rules to local cultural contexts and legal requirements. To wrap up our guide on Skool post management, let's review the key points. Members have the ability to delete their own posts through the three-dot menu, ensuring personal control over their content. Admins and owners, however, hold broader powers and can delete any post in the community to maintain order and compliance. Editing posts provides a way to correct mistakes or update information, typically within a 24-hour window after posting. This feature keeps discussions dynamic and accurate. However, it's important to remember that deletion is permanent. Once a post is deleted, it's removed from the feed and cannot be recovered, though it may remain in admin logs for transparency. To avoid having your posts removed, always adhere to Skool's community guidelines, which prohibit harassment, spam, misinformation, and illegal content. Communities can also set their own rules, so familiarize yourself with them. Finally, use these post-management features responsibly to foster safe and productive communities where everyone can learn and connect effectively.